Welcome back to Add Art. Now, today's Add Art has been a very, very popular request. I've had lots of people asking me to draw this one. Florence, Lucy and Cantica have all asked me to draw a unicorn, so that's what I'm going to do. Shall we make a start? First we'll draw an eye. Make this quite cute with a big pupil and a reflection there. Some eyelashes. They're like horses, so they have these kind of long nose. Bring that back into a smile. Put the cheeks in. A little nostril in there. Just finish the underneath of the jaw. Continue along here. We'll just put in one strand of the mane. Put an ear in, put some more of that mane in, then we'll put the rest of the mane going down the neck. And if we do this in lots of different strands like this, you'll be able to colour it in the colours of the rainbow. Put the neck in, the leg, comes round, put the back of the foot in a hoof here, and because it's a magical creature, give her stripy hooves. And it's almost as though she's taking off. So let's bring that leg up and round and just behind the other one. Put the other hoof in. And put some stripes. Put the horn in before we forget, otherwise she'll just look like an ordinary horse. Put some diagonal lines in there. Let's continue the belly round to this back leg, and this first leg have slightly raised, almost as though it's coming up off the ground. As you probably saw in the drawing at the start, we're going to give this unicorn wings, so it's almost as though she's about to take off, lift into the air with sort of magical powers. Let's bring that right round to the back leg there. Put this hoof in, more stripes, then the back leg, so this last one can be on the ground supporting the body. Some more stripes in. Now let's put a big tail in, and again we can make this multicoloured, so put lots of stripes in this. We want to make this unicorn as magical looking as possible. Just bringing those round into the point. A pair of wings in, so up and around, up to a tip there, down. You'll see we'll put the rest of the feathers in now. One, and then backwards and forwards like that, getting smaller. Put some small feathers near this side and slightly larger. Extend that out to the end ones. Another wing behind as well. Probably just see the tip of it poking out the top there. Some dappling on the unicorn here. Colour those different colours. However you choose, you can colour your unicorn whatever colour you want. Landscape in there, a bit of a shadow. Now, I think a unicorn like this might appear when we see a huge rainbow, so let's put that in. So we need 7 stripes, so we need to put 8 lines in. That's 1, 2 stripes. There's the 3rd one. Comes up and around across the seam there. You can make your bands, the coloured bands, as thick or as thin as you like. There's the rainbow in the background. Let's put some magic stars, almost as though there's all sorts of magical powers coming from this unicorn. On the top here. One over this side as well. Flower. Some leaves in there. Another one over this side. Actually, let's make it a magical toadstool. That's looking good. Another star at the top perhaps. Put some of these starburst twinkles near the tail. Extra line around this star for added magical powers. And there we have it. There is our magical winged unicorn. So hope all the girls who requested that are happy. If you've enjoyed drawing along with that today, just click on the little thumb to show you liked it, and remember, if you subscribe you'll be alerted to when I draw something else and you can draw along. And if you want to make a suggestion like Florence and Lucy and Kantika, then get your grown-up to leave me a message on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king. And yeah, maybe I'll choose yours to draw in the future. But that's it for today. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.